You only need one digital product to build a 10K a month type of income. And no, you do not need to post on social media every single day to do it. Okay, let me ground you in some real numbers here. Like in the last 30 days, I made over $72,000 using this exact strategy that I'm teaching you in this video, which honestly still blows my mind because that's more than I made in 2 full years at my 9 to 5. Now, of course, these results vary, and I'm not promising you this number, but what I am saying is that this method is real, it's repeatable, and it's doable. Most people overcomplicate digital products. They spend months creating something and then they burn out trying to sell it. And I'm not going to gatekeep this here because once you understand the simple pieces, making money online starts to feel a lot less confusing. So I'm going to walk you through how I'd set this up if I were starting from scratch today. No audience, no tech overwhelm, and definitely not being glued to my phone and posting all over the place. Okay, so I really want you to lean in and pay attention here because later in this video, I'm going to show you the exact piece of this system that most people skip and how a simple $27 digital product almost brought me in $10,000 in just 3 short days. So let me walk you through how all this actually works step by step. Okay, so here's what we're going to be covering today. How to choose a profitable niche without overthinking it for months, how to create or use a digital product that actually sells, how to set it up using a free system called System.io that I personally use, how emails turn viewers into buyers, and how to drive traffic without posting every single day. And I'm also going to show you 2 paths: creating your own digital product or starting with a done-for-you digital solution. So hit that like and subscribe button and let's start building something that actually makes sense. Okay, so let's break this down. $10,000 a month is roughly $333 a day. And remember, we are talking about simple, low-ticket digital products. Things like templates, guides, checklists, bundles. You have one problem and you're solving it with one solution. Now, lean in here for a moment because I personally have a digital product that sells for $27. At the beginning of this month, I ran a simple 3-day promotion on that one product, and it brought me in almost $9,000 in 3 days. Now, this doesn't happen every month. And yes, the results absolutely vary, but this isn't hype. This is what happens when the product is clear, the message makes sense, and the system is already in place. So let's look at the math a little bit further. At $27, you need about 13 sales a day. $37, it's about 9 sales a day. $47, roughly 7 sales a day. And when you see it like this, you realize something that's really important. You don't need a huge audience and you don't need to go viral. You just need the right product, the right message, and a simple system behind it. Now, before anything else works, we have to start right here, your niche. This is where people really overthink themselves into doing nothing. And you got to stop that right now. You do not need to be an expert. Goodness sakes, I am not an expert. Like, you just need to be one step ahead of the person that you're helping. If you figured out budgeting, somebody needs that. If you figured out tech that once confused you, somebody needs that. We didn't get to be the age we are without having some life experience, without knowing a few things, without learning stuff. So your life experience counts. Your niche lives right there. So what you know and the problems you solved and what people will pay for, where those overlap, that is your sweet, sweet spot, my friend. So as you're listening to me speak here, have you thought of one thing that you know that you could help somebody with? If so, I would love you to drop it in the comments. And if you're sitting there thinking, okay, Wendy, this makes sense, but I'm still not clear on my niche. Well, that's exactly why I created my free 3-day workshop, where it walks you step by step through discovering a profitable niche without overthinking it. So you can grab that in the description below. All right, now let's talk about what you actually can sell. Like, you have 2 different options here. You can create your own digital product, which I have done, and this does not need to be complicated, just like my $27 course. Your first product should be very simple. So think of one problem and one solution. What is one thing that people ask you about all the time? What is something that you figured out that used to confuse you? That could be a product. Okay, so think about this, my friends. This could be things like budgeting on a fixed income, decluttering after the kids move out, learning basic tech, like creating routines, planning meals, getting organized. It doesn't need to change somebody's life. It just needs to help them. And here is something that I don't hear enough people saying. Like, one of the easiest ways to create your first digital product is to start with a workshop, because a workshop is simple. You're teaching something that you already know. You could do it live, recorded, or over a few days. And here's why this works. When you run a workshop, you're not just teaching, you are listening. You hear the questions, you hear the struggles, the sticking points, and that's how you know what to create next. So from a workshop, you can offer a small product like a guide, a checklist, a workbook. You could offer group coaching. So instead of spending months creating something, you spend real time with people and helping them with real problems. And later you can build something even bigger based on what they've already told you that they want. And remember earlier when I mentioned that $27 digital product, that 3-day promotion thing? This is exactly why it worked. That product was connected to a workshop. For 3 days, I was teaching something that I already knew. But more importantly, I was listening. So when I offered my $27 digital product that helped them implement what they were already learning, could help them speed things along, it wasn't hard to sell. They weren't cold strangers. They were engaged. They were learning, and they trusted the process. That's why that $27 product worked the way it did. Now, there's a second path. You can start with a done-for-you digital product. That's actually how I started back in February of 2024. Like, I didn't want to spend months creating something of my own. I started with a done-for-you educational program. It taught me digital marketing skills. It gave me 10 pre-built programs that I could resell and keep 100% of the profit. Like, that was just crazy. It was very beginner friendly. And if you want to learn more about that path, then you can grab my Freedom Formula Blueprint. It's linked in the description below for you. So now let's talk about where this all lives, because clarity without a system still leads to frustration. I personally use something called System.io. It allows you to host your freebie, collect the emails, send automated emails, and deliver your digital products all in one place. Plus, if you join my Passion to Profits workshop, you don't have to start from scratch because I give you a pre-built system. And by the end of those 3 days, you will have your niche figured out, you will be able to create a freebie, and you'll have your automated system set up and connected. Okay, so let's talk about traffic, because you do not need to post every single day. Like, I used to post all short form video content, reels, and then I discovered YouTube and everything changed. Like right now, I have YouTube videos bringing me in views every single hour. Some were even posted 5 or even 6 months ago. That is evergreen content, my friend. This is how you do less, but you make more, because you post once a week. And those videos keep working for me. And here's a fun little bonus. YouTube also pays me through AdSense just for people watching my videos. Like, this is what YouTube has paid me over the last year. And I still have a very new, young channel. So just imagine what another year is going to be like, right? So adding another income with YouTube, that is true freedom. And if you're sitting there thinking, okay, Wendy, you've convinced me, I want to start a YouTube channel. I put together a YouTube success starter kit designed for beginners. Looks like this. And it shows you how to start growing without overthinking it. I've given you the exact steps. You can grab that in the description below. Now, here's the part that most people miss. Traffic alone doesn't make you money. Email does. This is where everything really comes together. Instead of sending people straight to buy something, you give them a freebie. It could be a simple checklist, a guide, a template, a short training, something that gives them a quick little win. It shows them what you're due. In exchange, they give you their email. These are not random people. These are people saying, yes, Wendy, I want help with this. And once somebody is on your email list, they want to hear from you. This is why that $27 promotion worked so well, because I wasn't emailing cold strangers. I was emailing people who had already downloaded my freebie, was already interested in what I had, and already trusted me. So when I sent an email saying, hey, I'm doing something special over here in the next few days, they wanted to buy it. So your freebie is the bridge between attention and income. And this is exactly what we build inside my 3-day workshop, The Passions to Profits. So I really encourage you, it's free, grab it in the description below. So now that you understand how you can build your first 10K months and beyond, and you can see how simple this becomes with the right system, then you're going to want to watch this video right here, because in that video, I show you exactly how I made over $650,000 and retired myself at 55 years of age in my very first year of running a digital business. Check that video out right now, and I will see you over there, my friend.